Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is compound interest. So friends, today question is find the amount if Rs 2000 is invested 10% per annum for 2 years when compounded annually. So our principal is 10,000. Rate of interest is 10%. Time duration is 2 years. We need what would be compound interest. So here principal is given 10,000. So draw for 2 years 2 lines. At the rate is 10%, right? So what will be 10% of this amount? So percentage and 20 will be cancelled. So 10% of 10,000 will be 1,000. Another will be 1,000. But compound interest is interest on interest. So what will be 10% of this 1,000? So it will be 100. So total this area is our compound interest, right? So 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 will be 2,100. So our compound interest is 2,100. What will be amount? Amount just a principal plus simple interest. So principal is 10,000 plus compound interest is 2,100. So 0, 0, 2 and 1, 2. So our amount is 12,100. So 12,100 is answer of this question. See here friends, principal is given 10,000, rate of interest is given 10%, time is given 2 years. We need what will be compound interest. So compound interest here 10%, rate is 10%. So what will be 10,000? 1,000 will be 10%, also will be 1,000 at 10%. So total this area is 2,000. We can solve like this: x plus y plus xy by 100. So x 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 will be 100 by 100. So 0, 0 cancel, 10, 10, 20. So 20 plus 1, 20. 20%. So rate of interest is 20%. What will be 21% of this amount? So see here 10,000 into 21 by 100. So 0, 0 cancel, 21 into 100 will be 2,100. So see here compound interest is our 2,100. So we can see here 2,100. So we can solve like this and like this. Move to question number 2. Question number 2 is every year an amount increase by 1/8 of itself. How much it be after 2 years if its present value is Rs 64,000. Read question once again. Every year an amount increase by 1/8, right, of itself means 64,000 increase every year 1/8. After 2 years, what will be after 2 years? So see here our principal is 64,000 and increasing 1/8. Friends, this is our principal and this is interest. So principal plus interest is amount. So E increasing every year. So 8 plus 9, 9 by 8 is increasing, right? So here 64,000 into for 1 year 9 by 8 and second year 9 by 8. So 8 8 just 64. Here 8 into 8 will be 64 and here 64. So both are cancelled one times. 64 into 64, 64 1 just 64. So 00 000. 9 into 9 will be 81. So 1000 into 81 is equal to 81,000. So amount will be 81,000. So our answer is 81,000. See here once again, friends. Principal is given 64,000. This 64,000 is increasing every year 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 keep here, share. Our principal is 8 and interest is 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9 by 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 8 by 8. So here 9 by 8. So it is increasing for 1 year and for 2 years. So 64 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8. So 8 8 ja 64. So 64 and 64 cancel. 9 into 9 is 81. 9 into 9 is 81. So 81 into 1000 will be 81,000. So our answer is 81,000. So friends, move to question number 3. Question number 3 is find the compound interest if Rs 5,000 was invested for 2 years at 10% per annum. Compound half yearly. Compound is half yearly. So here on the board, principal is equal to 5,000. Rate of interest is equal to 10%, but it is given per annum. Time is given 2 years. And compounded half yearly. Half yearly means 2 year hypes, 6 month, 6 month, 6 month and 6 month, 4 6 month. Rate of interest is 10% per annum, but compounded half yearly. So divide by 2 will be 5%. Now see here, our principal is given 5,000, right? And number of month is 4. So drop 4 lines, 1 2 3 and 4. And rate of interest is now 5%. So what will be 5% of 5,000? 5,000 is given, yes. So 10% equal to 500. We need just 5%. So 5% is half of 10%. So 5% will be 250. In second year also will be 250, but compound interest is on interest on interest. So what will be 250? 5%. So 10% will be 25. 5% will be 12.5. Now this is a 250 and here will be again 12.5. And what will be 12.5 is 5%. So 12.5 into 5%, 5 by 100. So keep here. So 5 to the 10 and 520 is 100. 525 is 125. So 2 into so 25 by 40. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. I will solve next in video this question. Thanks for watching.